title. Wata Bingdesa Sri Mulyani. You can call me Sri. 31 years old, married. I have 3 children. My experience in Saudi Arabia 3 years, from 2016 until 2019. My job is take care children 6 years old, 2 years old, and 1 year old. Feeding food, showering, changing clothes, changing diaper, accompany to play. And do general housework, washing, vacuum carpet, clean the sofa, cleaning, ironing, and cooking. I can cook Arabian food, kabsa, biryani, surba, gel-gel. I want to work in overseas because I need money for my family. Now I am in the kitchen. This is coffee maker, blender, rice cooker, water jug, cup and saucer, and this is chopstick. Finish.